Hello, everyone. You read the title, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. So, right now, I'm using pencil brush to lay out the sketch of my character. I like using this brush because it gives me the same feeling as using the real pencils. And as you can see, I also have a reference that I got from Pinterest to make it easier to draw the form of my character. I personally prefer to keep my sketch simple because later on in the process it will be covered, so I don't like to spend too much time on my sketch. Remember to flip your canvas to check if your proportions are correct, because sometimes we can't actually see our mistakes unless we view it in a different perspective. And by the way, I am celebrating my first 100 subscribers on YouTube, so to thank you guys, I will be giving free portraits to you guys. So I suggest you watch this video till the end, cause you'll be giving the instructions somewhere in the video. I like to add blushes to my character so it won't look too pale. Another thing you should remember is when you color the eyes of your drawing, the white part is not really white. I used light blue in mine to give it a cool color. Whenever you feel doubt, just trust the process of your drawing. Sometimes things don't really make sense till later on in the process, just like how sometimes we don't understand why things had to happen in our life. Remember that everything happens for a reason, and someday your struggles will make sense. So now I'm adding shadows, and I like to use multipliers blend mode for my shadow layer because it's easier to add shadows that way, especially if you're not that good with colors. In drawing lips, I like to use airbrush to give it a soft texture. So, for those who want free portraits, please subscribe to my channel and DM your pic on my IG account. I'll leave the link on the description. After that, like this video and comment down below done. And please keep your picture simple. I'll be choosing 5 of you that I'll draw, and for those who wants to join, you can still join by doing the same thing. I'll choose this weekend who I'll be drawing, and I'm gonna feature it on my next video. When doing hair, draw loose hair strands to make the hair a little realistic. So now I'm just adding finishing details on my drawing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you all on the next one.